Hello, welcome to Plant-Based News. I'm George.
And I'm Juliet.
Now, my mum is always like pulling out the flashy recipes, and they're always amazing. And you have always tried to teach me, but this is just my one staple snack that I know how to make, I know how to do it. I'm pretty chuffed to try this British company that's made of vegan cheese, Applewood. And the snack is pretty simple. It's a bagel, nice little bagel bag here. And we're going to be, first off, toasting it on the outside with some vegan butter.
So when you said toast on the outside, do you mean we're going to do the inside out trick?
We're going to do the inside out trick. Now,
Yes,
not a lot of people know about
teach
this.
it, no.
You did teach me this, so I am clinging on to some of that knowledge.
The reason why we're doing that, while you slice that, is because we're going to heat the inside and like crisp up the inside of the bagel before we put the cheese in.
Yes.
So it's already going to be warm and it's going to aid to, like the melting of the smoky Applewood cheese.
Cool. And also another tip is if you just like press it down a little bit before, then it's not going to get as jammed in the toaster.
Yeah.
Just do that. Nice.
Yeah.
Okay.
Fab.
Grand.
Lovely stuff.
Take the vegan butter. Okay.
So it's nice because when you toast it with the inside outside, it goes all like crispy, doesn't it?
Yeah,
Golden,
it goes really crispy and nice.
Yeah.
And I think the Applewood smokiness is just going to go great.
And it's lovely because we've always eaten an Applewood cheese like for years and years and years. Always used to have it at Christmas. I just love the smoky taste, and we tried it and we couldn't believe how much alike it is to the original. So, and it's completely vegan, and also it's suitable for people with allergies because it's
completely dairy free.
Dairy free, yeah. So that's also good.
So one side goes in, outside.
But the outside
inside on the outside.
Like that.
Like
that's
that.
it.
And then you're just gonna put that one on top. Give it a squeeze. Like that.
Yeah.
And then whack it there.
So before you toast it, because you want to get it all together while it's warm, I like to get my cheese sliced up ready so that when it comes out, you whack it in, put it back together and put it in there because you're going to get really melted.
That's a good idea. Give that a snip. So I'm going to make thin-ish slices. Like so. So that's probably enough cheese.
Yeah.
I'll do one more for luck. Now I've got to prep the last thing, which is the tomato. So I'm going to half this because we want like the thickest slice possible.
So you want it to go right across the bagel.
Yeah. Okay, so now that we have everything else prepped, going to toast this for about 2 minutes.
Yeah, so you just want it to be kind of nice and crispy and golden.
I'll check on it, and as soon as it's done, we'll take it out.
And then we'll whack it together quickly. Should have some nice music while we're waiting for it to...
Yeah, some elevator music. All right, so that's kind of looking golden now. Don't want to cook it too much. Turn that off.
No.
Well, we need to put the Marmite on first.
Oh, there we go. Do you put it on both sides or just one?
I put it on both.
Great.
I really like, it depends how much you like, really.
I want to keep the heat. That's
Mum has a bit of an obsession with keeping the heat in bread as long as possible if we make him toast.
I do, don't I? I'm going to do it over here and put it back, because there you go, put that in there. Look at
Great. All right, I think that's enough.
that. Okay.
So what we're going to do...
Tomato! You forgot your tomato. I thought it was your
forgot.
special recipe. Your main ingredient, whack it on there.
Okay, Marmite on both, cheese on that.
Okay.
Whack this in the middle.
Okay.
Squash that down.
It's going to be warm.
I got it.
Nice and flat.
Great. Needs a bit more melting time, but it is starting to bubble around the edges.
Right,
so
great, okay.
We'll leave that for 30 seconds or so.
Lovely.
And it should be done.
Perfect. Oh, I can see it bubbling in there.
All right, that should be done.
Get a nice ball, ready to cut it up.
Moment of truth. Okay, now that it's done, look at that.
Lovely.
Absolutely delicious, toasted to perfection.
Shall I get it off of its thing?
Don't mind if I diddly do.
Oh, look at that, all of the melty cheese. So I'll lift that up and you take away
lift
the...
that up.
That's it.
We're just gonna give this, just cut down the middle. Look at that. All right.
Can I have this bit,
yeah,
George? Ooh,
please,
lovely.
dig in.
Yummy. Ooh.
How good is
Oh,
that?
that's really good, George.
Tomato works, doesn't it?
It does. And the cheese is all nice and melty.
Yeah. I think the Applewood, like the smokiness that goes with the Marmite, the tomatoes there to sort of tie it all in, goes great.
Oh, that's lovely.
Thank you for watching. Check out my mum's recipes and bits and bobs like that on her channel. And yeah.
Everything you need to make this recipe is down there, isn't it?
Uh-huh.
Cheers. Thank you, George.